How to get a Twilio account Sid and Auth token. So guys, if you need these credentials and details, it's actually not that hard to do. Firstly, of course, make sure to create a new account. You can do this by pressing start for free in here. You can just register with your email and your account will be ready in no time. After that, guys, when you're taken to your, as you can see, account dashboard, you're looking to press on the develop, and then you need to go to your general settings. And in here on this general tab, you will have under account info, as you can see, your account seed, as you can see, and you can also copy it, of course, if you need it. And you also have your Auth or Auth token. And also, of course, it's dependent on the region and it's region specific. And if you wish to copy either, there's a button in here, copy, also here, or you can also show it if you want to see it. And then you can just go ahead and use it any way you like. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and see you next time.